Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning. You can find the list of top courses reviews and also discount coupons up to 100% on Udemy courses. Today I'll be sharing my experience with the Microsoft Power BI, up and running with Power BI desktop course on Udemy. This course is designed to help students develop a strong foundation in Microsoft Power BI, a powerful business intelligence tool. By the end of the course, you'll be able to create visually appealing and interactive reports and dashboards, and gain valuable insights from your data. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to learn Power BI, regardless of their skill level. It's great for business analysts, data analysts, and professionals who work with data and want to gain valuable insights from it. The course is divided into several modules, each focusing on a different aspect of Power BI. Here's a brief overview of the topics covered. Module 1, Introduction to Power BI. Module 2, Data Preparation and Modeling. Module 3, Visualizations and Reports. Module 4, Dashboards and Sharing. Module 5, Advanced Topics. You'll learn how to connect to various data sources, transform and clean data, create stunning visualizations, and share your insights with others. While the course itself is comprehensive, it's recommended that you have a basic understanding of Excel and data analysis concepts. Additional readings and resources are provided within the course to help you brush up on these skills. The course is delivered by experienced instructors who make the learning process engaging and enjoyable. The lectures are well structured, easy to follow, and packed with practical examples. The course also includes hands-on exercises and projects to reinforce your learning. Overall, I highly recommend this course to anyone looking to gain a solid understanding of Microsoft Power BI and unlock the power of data visualization and analysis. Remember, data is only as good as the insights you derive from it. With Power BI, you can transform raw data into meaningful visualizations and make informed decisions for your business. So, if you're ready to upskill and take your data analysis game to the next level, enroll in this course and get started today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you make an informed decision about the Microsoft Power BI, up and running with Power BI desktop course. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more educational content like this. See you in the next video.